Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix synchronization error in the Ledger Live. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to update the Ledger Live to the latest version. Once you're done, you have to just move to the next method. You have to just click on the 3 dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings. And here you have to just click on the about Chrome option in the left menu, and after this it will automatically checking for the update. If any update is available for your browser, it will update your browser. After this, click on the privacy and the security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. And here in the time range, select for all time in the advanced options and then select for these options and then click on the clear data. After completing this process, you have to just restart your Ledger Live and your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third method, you just need to check for your internet connection and try to change the network connection, or try to use a different connection, or try to restart the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your Ledger Live and your problem will be fixed. Sometimes it is more than enough to restart your system one time, and after restarting your problem may be fixed. So you must try this method as well. Moving to the next step, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for the percentage, temp percentage and then click OK. So once you are here, you have to just select all of the files and the folders from here and then right click here and then click on the delete. Basically these all are the junk and the temporary files that are causing such type of the synchronization errors in your apps and the Ledger Live. You must delete all of these, but if some are not deleting, then you have to just leave them and move to the next step, which is basically to empty your recycle bin by right clicking on it and then click on the empty recycle bin. After completing this process, you have to just again restart your Ledger Live and your problem will be fixed. And in some cases, you must clear the cache of your Ledger Live. For this, you have to just click on your settings of the Ledger Live and then click on the clear cache. After this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.